Choosing an art style for a game can have a dramatic impact on game design and who the target audience is. Many players have a common aesthetic that they prefer. As a quick exercise, think of game genres and the common art styles that they choose. The vast majority of horror games lean heavy into realism, while many platformers lean heavy into stylized art. Technical shooters often use realism. Arena or hero shooters lean towards stylization. You can think of art style as a scale. One side is hyper-realism, and the other side, you have a fully stylized art style. Unreal Engine has had a huge leaps in realism, most notably for the realism and release of the metahumans. At the same time, Fortnite has a hybrid realism and stylized approach and sits closer towards the middle. The plucky Squire is extremely stylized, with such cute and adorable shapes and bright colors and just overall great aesthetic. Many times an art style can be chosen based on budget, time frame, and many other decisions in between. While characters, environment, and user interface can have different approaches to their style, it all still has to work together for a cohesive vision that brings the core game to life. The art direction of games in development can sometimes become a political topic within the company. These decisions should ultimately be left to the art team and, in many cases, the art director to have the final say on what works. In many aspects of game development, a Venn diagram or something similar will be used in the efforts to portray a vision for the project. This can be in relation to the overall game design or specific categories such as art style. Creating something unique and interesting is something all game developers strive for. Art style is constantly tweaked and iterated throughout development to make a cohesive aesthetic. Games can be beautiful, terrifying, and amazing. The worlds we make have infinite possibilities to create and explore. Ultimately, the power is in your hands.